Namaste Gurukhulians, how are you all? Today I am here with a very beautiful poem, very meaningful poem, a poem that will give you a lesson, a poem that you will like and you will remember for your whole life. The poem name is Nine Gold Medals. My dear students, you have seen many racing events and you might have taken part in many of the racing events. So students, I want to ask from you that if you see any racing event, suppose 7, 8 participants are there, first prize always is gold prize. So how many player can win the gold prizes? I want to ask from you. I know the answer will be any one player will be the first prize, will get the first prize, he will get the gold prize, the second will get silver and third will get bronze prize. My dear student, but today the present poem which I am gonna teach you today, the 9 gold medals. In this poem, nine participants were there and all got 9 gold medals. What is the meaning of that? They all were at first position. So this is the poem of today. Very great poem, you can say that for today. The poem will teach you the value of cooperation, compassion, and fairness and concern. My dear students, winning is always not important. We are, no doubt, we are in this world facing a very healthy competition, and in the class in which you are studying, the boys with whom you are playing, somewhere they are competitor. You want to get better position in your life, so you have to be a great competitor. But in this race of getting first position, we should not leave this value of human life like cooperation, like compassion, like fairness, like concern for other people. We should not be so practical that we are deaf or blind to the cries of the people. Your friends, your classmates in need of something, they want you, they need you, and you are not helping them because you want to be ahead of them, you want to get some better position. They are your competitor. It is not good from any side. So it's a great message. The poem is teaching you the value of a great human. We all are human. We should help each other. We should not think this life is just full of competition, and we should not behave every time like a competitor. This poem will tell you about an event that held in Special Olympics. Special Olympics. What is the meaning of Special Olympics today? This is the Olympic organized for differently abled, you can say the disable, from intellectual base or physical base. Why these Olympics are organized? To give them confidence. We should not treat anybody. We should not treat anybody like he is inferior to us. Sometimes you see some persons are physically challenged, so we should not behave them like we are superior to them. So these Olympics are then organized for these type of people to give them confidence, to give them their identity that they are something. So in this event, a 100-meter race is there, a racing event is there, a racing event is there. We are gonna talk about this racing event in this poem. The poem is based on this racing event. What happens, student? In this racing event, the youngest boy tripped and fell on the ground. Students, tell me, if you are taking part in a race and one of your competitor tripped and fell on the ground, what you will do? Will you stop for him? Will you take this challenge? Will you take this risk? But what happened there, when this youngest boy tripped and fell on the ground, all the 8 participants, stopped there. Stopped for that boy, and what they did, they finished the race by joining their hands, together, and the race turned to a simple walk, because the youngest boy who fell down on the ground couldn't run, and the race turned to just a walk, and they all finished together. क्या कभी आपने ऐसा देखा है बच्चों? कभी सोचा है ऐसा आपने कभी ऐसा इवेंट देखा हो जहां पर एक प्रतिभागी, एक कंपटीटर गिर गया हो और फिर सबने उसकी हेल्प की हो? तो ऐसा यहाँ पे हुआ था। और कुछ लोग इससे ऐसा बोलते हैं कि 1976 वॉशिंगटन ओलंपिक की ये सच्ची घटना है। सो मानवता हमारा सबसे बड़ा धर्म है, ये पोएम आपको सिखाएगी इसके बारे में। इस पोएम के जो राइटर है, द राइटर ऑफ दिस पोएम इज डेविड ब्रोक। He is from Chicago, and he is songwriter, singer, performer. His songs about many sensitive issues, and that's why the poem is also touching some emotional issue of humankind. He is a great poet. I want you to study and read about this poet, David Groth. What you learn, you can tell me through WhatsApp group. Student, now we are coming to our beautiful poem. The poem is very, very beautiful. I promise you will never miss this poem. Some lessons are very interesting. Even of your 3rd class, you cannot forget them. This poem will be that type of poem you will not forget your whole life, my dear students. And I want from you to be the person same like that. So we are now starting our poem, 9 gold medals. The athletes, first line, the athletes come from all over the country. So the athletes had come from all over the country. If there is any event, any competitive event is there, any sports tournament is there, normally athletes come from all over the country. So same there, the athletes come from all over the country, and when athletes and any competition is going there, what is there? The people go there, people enjoy there. It is kind of a celebration, like we are celebrating any festival. People enjoy their activities there. So first line, the athletes had come from all over the country. The athletes had come there to take part in different games. Okay, to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. To run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. Dear students, we all want to get first position, that is awarded with gold, and sometimes we don't get first position. In that time we get second, we satisfied that okay, we will get next time the first position. Sometimes we get third, bronze, even then we are satisfied. Okay, don't worry, next time I will do more hard work and I will get second silver or first gold. So all participants come there to run a race and to win something, to get a gold, silver or bronze medal. Every person comes, take part in any event to get a prize. So two lines are clear, my dear students. The athletes had come from all over the country. Athletes आए हुए हैं. They run for the gold, for silver and bronze. They have there in mind that we will get prize, we will get medal, we will win. And third line, many weeks and months of training, they come there. Many weeks and months of training. Whenever you are going to take part in any event, you need to train yourself. And athletes are also not standing there without any proper training. They are standing there after getting training of weeks and months. So they have spent some time in training of weeks and months. Okay, many weeks and months you can say. The spectator gathered around the field. The spectator gathered around the field. Yes, students. The spectators are gathered around the field to cheer all the young women and men. So the spectators gathered around the field. All the spectators are there. Why spectators are there? To see the racing event. When something is happening there, normally people go there, people want to enjoy that event, people want to see that event. So same here, people are going there to see that event. Okay. And the next line, to cheer all the young women and men. What spectators do? Normally what spectators do? They cheer all the participants students of class. Any event was coming in the school, so he gave duties to 5 or 6 students that you're gonna deliver a speech, you're gonna do dance there. 5, 6 students got duties in the class, in the function, in the event. Rest of the students didn't get anything. So one student stood up. Sir, you didn't give me any duty. So the teacher said, I am giving you the duty of spectator. You have to cheer up all the participants. So spectators are very important. Spectators always cheer all the sportsmen. Okay. So they are cheering all the young women and men. This racing event is also special because all the men and women were running together. So now the final day, next line, the final event of day, the final event of day, the final event of that was approaching. So the final event of the day was approaching. In that day, many events maybe were happening there, but the final event, the event for that people gathered there, that event was very close. That event was very close that day, and people were waiting for that event. You know, whenever we are going to see any tournament, any event, any there, we always wait for a final event. So same, the people were waiting there for final event. Okay. So excitement grew high to begin. This is the lesson 9. Excitement grew high to begin. Excitement grew high. This line has meaning that all the people were so much excited. Excitement was giving high and high and high. To begin have different meaning. To begin have different meaning, that to start the match. To start the match. So we have discussed the lines here. I will discuss only 2 stanzas today. The athletes had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. Athletes had come there. Why they come? To take participate in the race and to get gold and silver medals, to get first and second position, third position. And now the third line. Many weeks of hard training is there, and the spectator gather around the field. The spectator gather there around the field to cheer all the young women and men. They wanna cheer all the young men and women. The final day of event was approaching. So final event is approaching there. People are excited to see that event. Excitement grew high to begin. Excitement was sky high. So dear students, I hope you understood all the lines and the meaning of this poem. If anything is not understood, you can ask to WhatsApp group, and never forget the meaning of this poem. The poem is very good, the poem is very interesting, the poem is lesson giving. I will discuss with you next stanzas in next videos. Okay, namaste.